Welcome to the enchanting celebration of the Christmas season at Vatican City. This sacred place transforms into a breathtaking display of faith, hope, and joy as we commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. At the heart of this celebration stands a magnificent Christmas tree, beautifully adorned with lights and ornaments that radiate warmth and cheer. This tree symbolizes the spirit of giving and the love that binds us together during this festive time. As you gather around it, let it remind you of the joy of family, friendship, and the goodwill we share. Vatican City itself is a profound backdrop for our holiday reflections. The serene beauty of St. Peter's Basilica, especially when illuminated, creates an atmosphere of peace and reverence. The sounds of carols and the sight of the Nativity scene evoke the true essence of Christmas, the celebration of love, hope, and new beginnings. As we walk through the cobblestone paths of this holy city, we are called to remember the teachings of compassion and kindness. The Christmas season invites us to open our hearts and extend our hands to those in need, embodying the message of the gospel. May this holiday season fill your heart with the joy of the Christ child's birth and inspire you to share that joy with others. From the twinkling lights of the Christmas tree to the sacred traditions upheld in Vatican City, may you find peace, love, and a renewed sense of faith this Christmas. Wishing you a blessed and Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas.